Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to watch a video on TikTok without captions, and it's pretty simple to do this, and there's only one option actually. So first of all, you will need to click on share button on TikTok here. You're just gonna of course choose a video, then you're gonna click on share button and you're gonna save a video like this. You can also choose where you want to share it. So I'm gonna click on three dots, other, but you don't have to do this. And I'm just gonna scroll down and click on save video. And it's already saved, so I'm just gonna go now to my gallery and we'll show you that this is saved. So here it is, here's the video I just saved. And that's how you can watch it without captions here. So if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more content, and take care. Bye.